Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the battery. Then let's localize the option battery percentage and tap on the switcher next to it to show the battery percentage inside the battery icon. On the status bar. Unfortunately, we are not able to show it inside the battery icon because we've got only one option, which is next to it. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.